Don't forget to subscribe and press the ring button to get all of my new videos. Welcome to a new video. Today we will be talking about present simple. Present simple is used to describe habits and unchanging situations.
We add to the end of the verb s or es when we have he, she, or it. For example, he plays, she eats, it sleeps. We don't add anything to the end of the verb. For example, I eat, you make, we go, they buy. Let's ask a question with the present simple. Present simple can make yes and no questions using do or does. For example, with plural pronouns, we say, do you watch TV? Do I sing? Do they play football? Do we use the calculator? Or we can use does when we can say, does he drive? Does she use Facebook? Does it eat fish? Now let's make a negative sentence in the present simple.
Negative sentence in the present simple, we add do and does with not. I do not play football. We do not play football. They do not play football. Or when we use does with he, she, or it, we say he does not play football, she does not play football, it does not play football.
Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe.